what's going on, guys? We are back for another episode of Spoof POV. I got this set of Red Wings right here that I gotta go get resold, and then I'm thinking about going and putting the levers on today. I don't think that should take too long, but I do have something to go do later. I have a class to go to. Yes, no, I have a class to go to, so I don't know, we'll go through the levers on. Hopefully it's, you know, I know it doesn't take long, but I have a funny way of just like making really short tasks take long amounts of time. Sometimes it is a blessing, sometimes a curse. I have fun though. Yes sir, rocking my I don't know if you can see it, the sleeve, Crooked Clubhouse, have a nice ride hoodie. Dude, this thing's so warm, I love it. It's got two buttons too on the hood, so you can like close it up here. It's definitely nice for right now because it's getting colder for sure. I think I don't even know what the weather is right now. I want to say it's definitely in the 60s though. You can tell. If I was in the highway, this would still not be warm enough. I need like another layer, but we're just taking state highways today, so different. I hooked up the Insta360 over here right now too, so I mean, I don't know, whatever. It's just another point of view. It's not like point of view, but it's a different point of view. Get it? Talking shit, and I see the traffic right up there. I was gonna say there's not a lot of traffic, but there's a good amount of traffic. There's always traffic on this strip, this stretch, this street, this route. I should find another one. I was just reading something online too that said that I can't start the bike in gear with the clutch, or no, with the clutch, with the elite levers. Hopefully that's not true, because that would be a bummer. Not that it like matters, but dude, finding neutral in this bitch sometimes is a bitch. It really is. See, sometimes I turn off the camera and I do some shit that might make good content, but at the same time, I don't know how much of that like interesting traffic violation situation is smart to put out there, you know. Not that like I'm doing, you know, I'm like whatever, like split lanes is split lanes, like it is what it is, but still, I mean, I guess I'm admitting to it right now, so yeah, fuck it, fuck, come get me. All right, we are here. Look at that, somebody parks their bike right up there. That's funny. Title Boxing Club. So yeah, these all look discombobulated and whatnot. They need a little bit of oil, a lot of bit of oil. Definitely need new soles. Look at those, worn down like a motherfucker. I have another pair and I cycle through both of them, but if you wear boots, you know, like obviously boots take time to break in, and these are beautifully broken in. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them other than obviously the soles and the insoles. So new pair insoles, new pair soles, every once in a while new pair of laces. You cycle through two of them, they stay nice and aired out for work, and you know, if you take care of things, they last. There's no need to be buying new boots every 2 years. You can just get new soles put on them. But I mean, I'm not here to tell you how to live your life, I'm just saying. Yeah, well, you know, the resoling used to actually be like 80 bucks. Now it's like 125. But I forget, I mean, the boots used to be 180. I don't even know how much they are now. Probably 225 or something like that, I guess. But, you know, I don't know. Maybe I need to do the math on the cost effectiveness of actually, you know, just getting them sold as opposed to buying new boots. But you buy new boots, then you're just worried about them getting scratched up, or you just end up not giving a fuck, and then they just end up looking like old boots anyways. So, I don't know. To each their own, right? Not to complain to you guys, but like, if you're ever in a situation where you're fucking lost, maybe just pull the fuck over. I really need to do something about my rear brake, because because that squealing's pissing me off. But still, yes, if you're ever in a situation where you're lost, just pull over. Like, don't crawl down the street doing 5 miles per hour while you figure it out, scrolling through your phone or whatever you're doing. Dude, like, just pull over, figure it out, and then keep on moving. For fuck's sake. Etiquette, common courtesy, right? Right? Get the fuck out of the way. Alrighty, it is a lasagna time. Yeah, if I record in there, it's gonna be really dark because I put that ND32 in here. It might even be pretty dark right now because we're in the shade. But it is outside. There's a lot of ambient light. I don't know, I'm wearing sunglasses too. It looks alright. ND filters are like sunglasses for your camera. It's a good way to put it. In case you guys didn't know. Now you do. Alright, but time to eat. Pretty sure you just gotta loosen that. Not take it completely off. But I don't know. You get the fucking thing out of there right now. Huh? You know, I have told you guys before, these are not how-tos because, needless to say, I'm doing these for the first time. I can't be telling you guys how to do it. But I'm gonna figure it out. Alright, yeah, so we got this one off. Easy enough. Loosen the 2 torque bits right there on the perch, and there was the one nut. And this guy. That's it. See you later. Yeah, out of there. This was the only damaged one. This was, well, I mean, this is technically damaged, but it's not terrible. We're still gonna switch it out. Alright, it's on there. Dude, I'll tell you what. I think I need a new brake reservoir. I'm gonna have to. This looks so bad. We're gonna do that. I mean, whatever, winter's here, so it's not here, but yeah, it basically is. So maybe that's a winter project. That looks terrible. I know a kid that actually had exactly the same levers, even like down to the color. He had purples too, and they were already what's the word? Oh yeah, that they faded in the sun after a couple months. So just fingers crossed that these last a little bit. There we go. That's it, they're done. I don't love the fact that you can't start the bike. Whatever, it's a clapped out sporty now. Yeah, they feel nice though. Go for a ride. Try them out. Hasn't been really necessarily too much time to get to know them, but I'll tell you this, they definitely pull easy. That's for sure. Oh, okay. Alright, so what I just realized is that I definitely didn't adjust the clutch properly. Because right there it just slipped in first, me trying to just like get that little pop-up. So we gotta fix that. Alright, there we go. All adjusted up. Definitely had to do a little readjustment on the clutch cable, but it's all set. We got her done. And now we got some brand new levers. I mean, honest dude, even with the brake is a hell of a difference. It's huge. I love it. But the easy pull clutch is nice too. I'm gonna have to see how it goes pulling it up on one wheel. But yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna split up the review for another ride. If you watched, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.